In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your way through using Google to enhance your workflow with Microsoft Teams efficiently. Whether you're someone just starting to incorporate these tools or a seasoned pro looking for a few extra tips, this guide will help streamline your process. First up, let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams. Now, Microsoft Teams is a powerful hub for teamwork in Office 365, bringing together chat, meetings, calling, and collaboration. You might already be familiar with its essential features, but today we're going to focus on making the most out of the Teams integration with meeting links to ensure smooth communication. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, the next step is to navigate your way to the Meet section. Now, Meet is where you can schedule or start meetings on the spot. If you look around the interface, you'll see various tabs, but Meet is where we want our focus to be today. It's a great place to connect with colleagues or clients without the hassle of lengthy email threads or phone tag. When you find the Meet section, click on it and you'll see an option that says Create a Meeting Link. This feature is a game changer. By creating a meeting link, you are essentially setting up a virtual meeting room that you can share with anyone, whether they're part of your organization or external partners. The meeting link is something you can send out via email, chat, or even calendar invites, making scheduling quick and efficient. Why is this important? Well, creating a meeting link this way means you're not constrained by anyone's office status or availability. It's like having a virtual conference bridge ready to go, which saves you time on coordination and administrative tasks. And once you've created that link, your setup is basically complete. The done aspect here is focusing on understanding that your meeting link can now easily be distributed to the relevant parties, allowing them direct access to the meeting at just one click. Remember, effective communication is all about reducing friction, and this approach nails it by keeping things swift and straightforward. To recap, you just navigated to Microsoft Teams, dove into the Meet section, and then whipped up a meeting link that connects you seamlessly with others. Each step involves only a few clicks, but it significantly boosts how you organize virtual meetups, fostering more consistent and less stressful online collaboration. So when using Google tools to your advantage, take these steps and integrate them with your existing workflow for a smoother and more efficient process. That's all there is to it for today, and by consistently applying these methods, you'll find your meetings can not only start efficiently, but also run more smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to turning these tips into tangible productivity for you.